In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text in Google Slides 3D. This technique can really make your presentations pop and stand out, giving them a polished and professional look. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Google Drive account. This is where all your Google Slides presentations are stored. Simply head over to the Google Drive homepage. Type in your email address and your password. Once you've filled in your login details, hit the next button to access your drive. Now, find the Google Slides presentation you're working on. If it's not immediately visible, you might want to use the search bar at the top. Click on your presentation to open it. Once you have your presentation open, navigate to the specific slide where you want to add 3D text. Click anywhere on the slide to make sure it's active and ready for editing. Now for the fun part, adding your text. If you already have text you'd like to make 3D, simply highlight it by clicking and dragging over the text. If you're starting from scratch, now is the time to add your text box and input the text you want to use. After you've got your text ready to go, you'll want to change its color to white. This might seem counterintuitive now, but it will all make sense shortly. To change the color, go to the toolbar at the top of the screen, find the text color option, and choose white. Once you've changed your text color to white, right-click on the text box. A menu will appear with various options, but the one you're interested in is Format Options. So go ahead and click Format Options. This action opens a new pane on the right side of your screen. Here you'll see several different formatting options, but for our 3D effect we'll focus on Drop Shadow. Click on Drop Shadow. Activating the Drop Shadow feature will immediately add a shadow to your text, creating a sense of depth. The default settings might work fine, but feel free to play around with the options. You can adjust the angle, distance, blur radius and color of the shadow to create a look that perfectly suits your slide. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully added a 3D effect to your text in Google Slides, adding a layer of sophistication to your presentation. Remember, playing around with different drop shadow settings can dramatically change the appearance of your text, so don't hesitate to experiment until you find the perfect look. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Keep practicing and experimenting with Google Slides to enhance your presentations even further. Thanks for watching.